Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at Gmail tips and tricks. Yes, we're going to be looking at some stuff that we can actually do inside here. Very important, right? As we go along. Email tips and tricks. We're going to look at some of the stuff on how to schedule an email. So for instance, you're going on somewhere tomorrow. You can actually schedule the email for either next week or one of these days. You can also undo an email. So what if you do the email, you send it, you realize you make a mistake, you can undo it. Using the reading pane. When I'm using the reading pane, I can see email one side and the next one below. Insert dark theme, yes, and also mute the message. So these are what we're going to be looking at. Right, very important. So we want to do is we bring up our Gmail right here. Right, so notice we have the Gmail up and running. Right, so remember the first thing that we wanted to look at is how to schedule the email. Right, so first thing we wanted to do is format as a compose. Right, so we're gonna put in the person name right here. Right, so the next thing that we wanted to do, we wanted to put something right there. So attach a file by clicking right there. All right, let's put in this one. Come right there and click on open. Let's put in a subject. Put in a subject. Let's say lesson plan. And let's put in that in it. Right there, lesson plan. So scheduling time now. So you're going to come out right here. Don't press send. You notice it look up pointer right here. You're going to click on it. Now when you click on it, you notice it says schedule send. You're going to click on it. Now when you click on it, now this is what come up. You can click right here and close it. If you notice, for tomorrow morning the 26th, tomorrow afternoon 26th, or Monday the 27th, or you can come right here so and click and select date you want and all that. And when you're done, you can come right here, so schedule send. But how do you know that it's actually scheduled? You're going to come right over here. Notice this is your schedule. If you click on your schedule, you notice it show you what schedule so far. Just click back on that one. So very important. That's how you actually do that one. All right, let's look at the next one. We're going to undo. All right, so we're going to click. We're going to compose again. All right, we're going to put the name of the person. All right, we're going to put the subject right here. So we're going to upload a file right there. We're going to use this one. And click on open. All right, definitely no. Right, so when you click on send right there, if you notice right over here, you notice it should word undo. Right, so what you wanted to do, you click. I notice the undo bucket and all that is very important. But what if you turn it off and go away quick? What you can do, you can extend the undo by coming here to upgrade the settings. Now when you click on it, let me minimize this one. You click on it, you click on this right here. So see more settings. Right, if you notice up here in general, you click right here in general, right? And if you notice, you're gonna look, notice right here is undo send. So when you can click right here, so right, and you put it exactly where you want it. Now when you do that, just come down to the bottom right here, scroll right down to the bottom, and then right here is a save the changes that you take you right back up. Right? So that definitely how you do that. Let me bring back this up. Right, definitely. Right, you notice I actually send it so far. Send it, and I'm there thinking about what I can do and all that. You notice it's still there, you can view the message. So I just want to undo it back, I just click it, and there you go. Or you can make the necessary adjustment you wanted to make on it. Right, so we're going to be looking at the next one. Using the reading pane. This one is very critical. All right, let's look at it. All right, to use the reading pane, we're going to click right here. Very important, we're going to click on settings right here. Right, definitely. So I want to scroll down. Scroll down. What you're looking for is the reading pane. All right, scrolling down. Right. Scrolling this up, scroll back up, looking for it. All right, you're going to click on inbox instead. Yes, inbox. All right, and scroll down. All right, as you can see, this is reading pane. So you're going to click here and enable it, right? And you're going to scroll down to the bottom here, and then you click on save change. Right now, you're going to take you right back around the screen. right? If you notice right, there's a different icon come up, right? If I click right here, you show that I can split vertical, horizontal. If I click on vertical, right? You notice over here, you can see the email, and over here, you can see nothing. All right. So if I come, all right, if I just have my own scroll bar right in the middle right here, and I can screw it up like that. If I come right here and I click, you notice the document appear over here, and over here I have my own scroll bar. Can forward it from here, just the same. Can actually read it. I'm still looking over here. I can actually select connection I want. You notice I can actually do it at the same, right? I can come back up here, right? And I can actually change it the way I want it. I can put horizontal, you notice it's underneath the bottom, right? So if I come right here, you notice it's show underneath the bottom, and I have my phone scroll bar just the same. Very important. I can actually click this next one. Notice it show up on the bottom just the same. Very important. So this is how you use the reading pane right here in your Gmail, right? The next one you're going to be looking at is insert dark theme, right? Very important how we're going to do that, definitely. All right, let me come right here and click here and say no split, bring back to normal. All right, so we want to looking at the dark theme now. So the dark theme, we're going to be looking at it, right? We're going to click right here, and then we're going to come down right here and say view all. I'm going to click, right? You're going to take a time, scroll down, and you notice a dark. You're going to click on that. Notice it show up in the background already. Click and save. So this itself is a dark theme, definitely, right? So especially at night, I can actually use this particular one right here. Very important. All right, the next one, auto mute message. We're going to look at our mute message. All right, so for instance, this particular person may be sending to you, or this person. Let me go up and show another person up top. All right, so for instance, this person, there they can put the cursor upon, they can actually right click. All right, you come right here, you notice it shows a mute. So if I come like that, mute the person, all right, definitely very important. So the person can actually do that, right? I can come right here, right? You notice? So that's exactly how you actually mute the person, right? So very important right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.